Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. Your certified Roush dealership here in the central of the United States, bringing you another Roush video. This one is on the 2021 Ford F-150 Off-Road Edition. We're going to go over all the core components you get on all of your off-road F-150 packages, as well as a couple different options that we choose, and go over a couple things that you might want on your Roush off-road truck as well. So we're going to dive right in. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button down below so you can subscribe over to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Also get notified the next time you have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So definitely want to have that turned on. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're interested in getting a Roush F-150 from McArthur Ford, you can have it shipped anywhere for free. We'll have more information about that at the end of the video. So let's jump right in and talk about some of these core components. Now, before we talk about some of the core components on this Roush off-road package, first thing you need to know is from the factory, they have to be built from the dealership in either an XLT 302A equipment group or the Lariat 502A equipment group. Both of those get the luxury package. They add the sport appearance package on both of those so that you have the body colored bumpers down here. And boy, 302A equipment group on the XLT is really loaded up, giving you a lot of great features. If you haven't had a chance, I did a video on both the XLT and the Lariat trims for 21 model year. Check those videos out. I have them linked down in the description, so just look at them there and you can see some of the, I go further in depth into what's standard on XLT as well as what's part of the 301 and 302A equipment group. So check that video out so you know how they're starting off. About all the trucks that we order, we're ordering on the XLT with that 302A equipment group on most of ours. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the core components starting from the front. We'll move our way around to the back and then dive inside. First off, you're going to see up here, these are built on the 5.0 liter V8 engine with the 10-speed automatic transmission, and of course they replaced the grille up here. So it does have a real nice grille. They're calling it a high flow grille here. Love the Roush lettering that comes across. Total grille replacement here in the front. I love the LED lights. So if you can see on this one here, it looks real sharp on the silver truck because you kind of a grayish silver accent right here. But when you turn your lights on, that's going to light up right there. So you're going to have this kind of you don't notice it, and then boom, you have the lights on and they're noticeable. You have those integrated lights in the grille right there. Also bumper replacement down here too. So this has all been replaced, upgraded here for you with integrated pockets for your tow hooks down there. So real sharp look on the front of the vehicle like Roush likes to always do. Also, you're going to have the graphics package of standard equipment. So you're going to see the hood graphics up here. So it's a matte finish there, matte black. And then you're going to also see up there on the top, instead of having that windshield banner you have, I like what they've done, putting the matte finish up there on the top, the front part of that roof line. So that really makes an impact up there too, so especially on the silver truck. So you're going to have both of those here on the front. Now, as we move over here to the side, the first thing you're going to notice is the suspension system. This is the Roush Fox 2.0 coil-over suspension system, so it levels it out on the front, so it gives it a 2-inch level on the front. But the coil-over suspension is a great suspension. It is tuned by Roush, and I actually have the same suspension system on my F-150, and the ride is incredible. You're going to love the ride because it has a great suspension, especially on the highway where you might see some lifts where it might get a little tricky on you. Roush does a good job. The Fox suspension is a way to go on that, and they do a good job with it. Also, you're going to see the fender flares. It's a matte black finish as well there on those fender flares. Also, you're going to get the Roush wheels. So 20-inch satin gray Roush off-road wheels. Great design and look. Even has the Roush wording on the outside of that. And you see that Roush R in the middle of the center cap. Also have the General Grabber all-terrain tires. Those are the ATX 33-inch General Grabber tires. So great off-road tire. Also really good on-road as well. Not too noisy. Some great aggressive tread on it too. You're going to see the Roush badging over here on the fender vent. So you're going to see that on there, whether it be the XLT or the Lariat. The fender vent, it'll have the Roush badging on the side. Also here, you're going to see the Roush wording on the door. So this is the standard graphics package. You're going to see there's an optional one we'll talk about, which I haven't seen any images of yet on Roush's website, but you're going to see that matte finish here, the black finish on the door. So it has the Roush wording there. Also, you're going to see the American flag back here. And you're going to have the Roush Performance exhaust system. Is going to be standard equipment on these two, so it has a real great sound to it. And we're going to talk about options to upgrading that exhaust system when we get to the different optional equipment. Now, a couple things to note here in the back is just kind of the look that we have, the graphics that we have on it. Now, that back glass over there, you will see that Jack Roush signature that we've seen many years on the F-150 off-road packages. Also, the graphics here in the back. So that is that matte finish black with the Roush cutout there. Looks real sharp on the truck. You also, of course, don't forget the Roush tag and tag bracket that comes with it, and then that Roush hitch cover as well that's on the truck there. So just a real sharp look here on the back of it. Really kind of, you know, every part of the vehicle, they really touch it with the graphics and just add some little things to touch to make it a Roush vehicle. But a couple things on the inside I want to take note of as well, especially on these XLTs. Now, moving to the interior, something I want to take note of is that on your XLTs, you're going to have a dash overlay. So the gauges are going to look different. So you're going to be able to see those. Your tachometer over there will have that American flag there at the bottom, as well as on your speedometer over there, you're going to have that Roush R down there. So just kind of a touch on your XLTs that you're going to see on those, because they do have the actual gauges there. But on your Lariat, where it's all digital, you will not see that as an upgrade on those. All-weather mats will be standard equipment on all these, so you're going to have the Roush badging there on those WeatherTech all-weather mats and the ones in the front footwells. And then you're going to also have the nice WeatherTech mat that goes clear across the back, even underneath the seats in the rear seats back here. So you're going to have the all-weather mats. Real nice having those there in the front and back. Also, you're going to see the serialized badge here on the dash. I love the look for this year. I think this is just a great touch, a nice addition. Also, your key fobs. You're going to have two key fobs. They're going to change that out, so you'll have that Roush R on the back of that. So special Roush key fobs for your truck. And of course, don't forget certificate of authenticity, and it'll all come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Roush. So pretty well equipped there. That's all your core components. Now I want to talk about 4 options that you might choose to elect to get with your truck that is available from Roush. So a couple different optional optional components you can get on your Roush F-150. One of them we get on about all of our F-150s, and that is the active valve exhaust. So that really allows you to be able to make it louder and quieter just by pressing the button. So they actually located it pretty nicely right under the ignition. So you just can turn that vehicle on. If maybe you have it loud, you can turn it off. You just by pressing that button, you can make it quieter. So it does allow you to make it into the off-road exhaust sound, or into that quieter touring sound. Also, if you're on the highway, maybe you want to make it a little bit quieter. I do that with mine. That's another way of doing that. So you just press that button on and off to be able to adjust that active valve. Also, another thing that we like to do is we like to add the leather seats to these. So I think they've done a great job with these leather seats. So real nice look to them. I just love that. It's kind of a two-tone gray inserts in these with the Roush embroidering on those headrests there. But a great job. Not only the seats on the front, but also the seats go clear across the back. Those 2 outbound seats will be just like the front ones up here. So leather seat package is another thing you can add to the truck. Something else you can add is a little ready to go, or ready kit, I think is what they call it, a ready to go package. And that's going to actually give you a console vault inside there. So you can open up the console. You're going to have a nice Roush vault in there. You can put your belongings in there, lock it up. It has I think a 3-digit code that you choose for that, 3 or 4 digit, and then you can lock that up. Also comes with the off-road kit. So it comes with both of those, the console vault and your off-road kit. That is going to give you those Roush gloves, a bunch of other different tools that come with it. So really cool kit, and they come together in that ready to go package. The other thing you can also add to this is the different graphics. So it is a black appearance, or black graphics pack is what they're calling it, and I don't have any images right now on there. I'm assuming what it's going to do is give you maybe some black graphics across there with the cutout with Roush is my assumption, and just here on the side. So I'm assuming it's the side graphics will be changed and upgraded. So a couple different options for you for graphics on your Roush F-150. Now, don't forget, you can get one of these Roush F-150s here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. I think we currently have 8 of these in stock in different varying colors. So if you want to check out our inventory, go to our McArthur Performance tab at the top of the website there at McArthur.com. Just click down there on the Roush trucks, and you can see our Roush truck inventory. So it gives you all the different Roush, custom Roush trucks that we have in stock. And again, we equipped about all of them the same with the leather package and the active exhaust. We did not elect to go with the graphics or the package for the ready to go package. So those are the only two things we did not add to these. So pretty much all of them are pretty ready to go. So just check out our inventory there again on our website. You can call or send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen right there. So if you're wanting to get one of those and get it shipped to you, we can do that for you. A little bit information about our free shipping. You just let them know that you saw this video on the YouTube channel. We'll give you free shipping. We just ask you finance the vehicle with us. So we're very transparent about this. And the way we're able to take care of that shipping cost is if you finance a vehicle with us. And lenders give us enough kickback, we can cover the cost of that shipping, but we don't want that cost incurred onto you. And that's why we just ask you if you finance a vehicle with us, we can take care of that for you. So we ship about anywhere in the country. So just give us a call, send us a text message. You can check shipping costs and such too there. If you're too far away, we do cap it about $1,000 for that reason. Anything over that, then we just have you pay for that, or if there's a trade-in, we can work that in as well. Sometimes we can take care of that with one of our drivers that we have here with a one-car hauler. We can always do that too. So a lot of different ways we can take care of that. So just give us a call, send us a text message. We can go over that for you. Don't forget, everything as part of the Roush package is covered by Roush, 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. The reason we're a certified Roush dealership is because we love how well that Roush takes care of their customers, how well they take care of them. If there's anything that goes wrong, they'll take care of anything they add to the truck and do it in a pretty timely manner as well. So they work real closely with Ford, and so that they can be able to cover and take care of their customers. So I just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You can also get notified the next time another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. If you've been a subscriber to the channel for a while and you're interested, we do have membership available. Hit that join button down there by the subscribe button, and you can learn a little more information about our membership and what's included in those, the different perks and such for the membership fee there. So again, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it. If you want to follow us on social media, we're at Law McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So you can follow us there. We also do have a separate Law McArthur Performance Facebook page as well. So check that one out. We have all the cool Roush off-road trucks and that kind of stuff there on that Facebook page. And if you want to follow me, I'm at Tim Bartz on Twitter, and you can find me there and follow me there as well. Again, thanks for watching this video. Till the next one, we'll see you later.